हेलो एंड वेलकम टू अ ब्रांड न्यू एपिसोड ऑफ आवर साइड हसल डीप डाइव। आज हमारे साथ एक बहुत स्पेशल गेस्ट है। थैंक्स सो मच फॉर जॉइनिंग अस। वेरी क्विकली, नेम, कॉलेज, आपने क्या पढ़ा और आपका साइड हसल क्या था?
मेरा नाम सारांश आनंद है और मैं बिट्स गोवा 23 पास आउट हूँ। मैं वहाँ पे कंप्यूटर साइंस इंजीनियरिंग पढ़ रहा था। मैं जब अपने सेकेंड ईयर में था तब मैंने एक एजेंसी स्टार्ट की जिसका नाम मार्केटअप है। वो एजेंसी 2.5 साल से चल रही है एंड नाउ मैं कॉलेज से ग्रेजुएट हो चुका हूँ और मैं उस एजेंसी पे फुल टाइम काम कर रहा हूँ।
गॉट इट। एंड ऑन एन एवरेज एक महीने में आप मार्केटअप से कितना कमा लेते थे?
So Marketup does a revenue of about 8 to 9 lakhs per month, of which I used to take out somewhere around 1.5 to 2 lakhs on a monthly basis. This is excluding all the expenses, basically my share of profit.
1.5 to 2 lakh per month in college.
Yes.
वाह, मतलब अल्टीमेट लाइफ इज सॉर्टेड एट दिस पॉइंट। बट लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड मार्केटअप बेटर, राइट? ये एग्जैक्टली करता क्या है, बिजनेस क्या था?
So Marketup is basically a content marketing agency. We help brands and influencers expand their reach through social media. So we have worked with over 35 brands and influencers so far, and we have helped them scale their content marketing over YouTube, Instagram, LinkedIn and Twitter.
Sounds very exciting. And मार्केटअप एक तरफ है, लेट्स से इसके अलावा और कोई इनकम स्ट्रीम्स थे कॉलेज के वक्त?
So while I was in my final year, I did an internship at Hotstar. I was a software development intern there, and I had a stint of about 5.5 months there. And I was basically working remote. So I used to do it from Gandhinagar itself, where my parents are based.
Got it. तो okay, internship stipend as well as marketup का whatever you do.
Right.
Got it. And एग्जाम्स के बीच में, यू नो, कॉलेज की पढ़ाई, ऑल दैट हलचल के बीच में मार्केटअप का आइडिया कैसे आया? आई एम क्यूरियस टू नो।
So basically while I was in my second year, second semester, so 2 में I was trying to explore कि मैं क्या कर सकता हूँ. My social media marketing internship just ended and Ishan called me up. Ishan is basically my co-founder and we used to be roommates in college. So at that time COVID was on, so we were based out of our homes and he called me and he told me that there's a company that wants content to be created for them. Now I'm already creating content for 2 more companies and I don't have the time to do it. What should I do? So that is when we decided कि ठीक है, let's try to create an agency that provides content creation services. So initially that was the idea, but later on we realized कि content creation उतना scalable नहीं है. Content marketing is something where we can help the brand everything post-production and the strategizing part as well. So it was much more scalable and it helped the brand at a better magnitude.
इस इनकम को, इस साइड हसल इनकम को अर्न करने के लिए एक दिन में कितने घंटे आपको ऑन एन एवरेज काम करना पड़ता था?
So initially the hours were much more, right? So पहले I think somewhere around 10 hours on a daily basis I used to give, right? But as we moved forward, we started hiring more people and उसके बाद मेरा time instead of managing the operations उनको train करने में भी जाने लगा. But once they learned, तो मेरा जो वर्कलोड था इट रिड्यूस्ड सिग्निफिकेंटली. सो नाउ आई हैड टू पुट इन मोर एफर्ट इन एक्सपेरिमेंट्स रादर देन द वीकली ऑपरेशंस और द डेली ऑपरेशंस दैट आर सपोज्ड टू बी डन. सो आज की डेट में आई थिंक आई पुट इन लाइक 20-30% ऑफ माई टाइम डूइंग द ऑपरेशंस, डेली ऑपरेशंस वर्क, एंड 70% ऑफ माई टाइम डूइंग द एक्सपेरिमेंटेशंस, बेसिकली समथिंग दैट इज गोइंग टू टेक अस फॉरवर्ड इन द फ्यूचर.
अमेजिंग. ये तो परेटो प्रिंसिपल जिसके बारे में हम लिंक्डइन पोस्ट पे पढ़ते रहते हैं, दिस इज एन एक्चुअल यूज केस ऑफ दैट कॉन्सेप्ट, राइट? आई रिमेंबर इन कॉलेज मेरी तो मेहनत सिर्फ अटेंडेंस पॉलिसी मीट करने में लग जाती थी, एंड हियर यू आर हेल्पिंग ब्रांड्स स्केल अप टू देयर सब्सक्राइबर बेस by 4x, 5x. What is the secret sauce behind that?
So I have been lucky that way because Bits में there is no attendance policy, right?
Wow.
So
यही था reason.
So all you need to do is basically attend the lab sessions. That is important because they are evaluatives. Sometimes there are surprise quiz here and there, so you need to have good friends who call you whenever there is a surprise quiz. And yeah, I think that is pretty much it. So finding time was not really a problem, especially because of COVID as well, right? So since everything was online, I just had to log into the Google Meet and mute that tab.
Wow, hacks. But so was Marketup bootstrapped?
Yes. So when we started Marketup, the initial investment was just 500 rupees.
500 rupees?
Yes. So basically, हमने domain खरीदा and that was pretty much it. We created the website ourselves. We hosted it on Netlify, which is a free hosting platform. So yeah, that was pretty much it.
आज की रेट में तो 500 रुपए में 2 पिज्जा स्लाइस मिल जाते हैं. मतलब it's such a small amount to start a profitable business, right?
Exactly. So basically, if you're starting an agency, it is more of a sales intensive task. You don't really need to put in a lot of money. You need to put in a lot of effort and time.
Effort and time.
Yeah.
Got it. जो भी पैसा आप कमाते हो साइड हसल से, आप उस पैसे को कैसे यूज करते हो? Do you splurge on something? What is that one guilty pleasure? Or do you actually invest it somewhere?
I invest most of the money, right? So depending upon how much I'm gonna need in the coming future, right? So I always have some FDs, right? Abhi finance influencers would say ki FD mat karo, all these things, right? But at the same time I believe ki FDs are a good thing because they are very liquid, right? I can, agar market closed hai tab bhi main abhi paise nikal ke I can use it anywhere, right? So for that reason I always have some FD. उसके अलावा in stocks, mutual funds, crypto में भी डाला था, but it was very small. So basically my theory was कि I'll not put more than 1% of my income on crypto. For that reason I didn't invest a lot. About spending, right? So I love having different kinds of food, so I spend a lot there. But major expenses में अगर देखा जाए तो फिर I'm very well behaved that way. So I don't spend a lot on instinctive purchases or you know, things that don't really make sense. So I think that is sorted.
I mean that's very disciplined, खासकर instant gratification के ज़माने पे, right? अगर iPhone 15 लॉन्च हुआ है तो iPhone 15 चाहिए ही चाहिए. There's no second, you know, double takes on that.
Exactly.
लेकिन mental health challenges are also real, right? How do you deal with situations जहाँ साइड हसल में या स्टार्टअप वेंचर में कुछ इधर उधर हो रहा है, there's a burnout, potential burnout happening? How do you deal with that?
So yeah, of course it is very common and it happens all the time, right? So once in a while I always try going for trips, right? So I think since the last August there has been no month in which I never traveled.
Finally, upskill करने के लिए आप क्या क्या करते हो? How do you keep yourself updated? How do you learn new things?
One very important thing is moderating the kind of content that you are actually consuming, right? So a lot of people consume whatever the algorithm suggests them to watch, right? So you need to make sure that you keep an eye on that. When I go to YouTube, more often than I click on a video, I click on not interested, right? Just to make sure that I don't end up wasting my time on the kind of videos that are not going to help me out. Of course, there are times when I want the entertainment and then I go to a different account. So I have this thing. I have 2 Instagram accounts, I have 2 YouTube accounts. And I have sort of optimized the algorithm in such a way that when I want to watch entertaining videos, I go to one of the accounts, and when I want to gain knowledge or basically passive entertainment, infotainment kind of content, I go to the other account.
Got it.
So
Can we just call it Big Boss account and knowledge account?
I mean, it is not as bad as Big Boss, but
Right. ये तो मैं नहीं मानती. But okay, great. That's actually a really cool hack. I'm sure a lot of students can, you know, benefit from thinking about it this way, engineering the algorithm to, you know, learn passively. So college is finally over. What are you working on right now?
So right now, most of my time goes for experiments, right? So I'm trying to scale market up, get as many clients as possible, hire as many people as possible. So that is of course one of the things.
Wishing you all the very best with both Market Up and Centora. I'm sure they'll do exceedingly well. And also बहुत ही inspiring लगा आपकी story सुन के. So thanks so much for sharing it with us, Saransh.
Thank you so much for inviting me to the channel.